Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate guide to creating your own straw page, a super fun customizable web page for polls, Q&As, or sharing your vibe. Let's dive in. Go to straw.page and hit create a page. No account needed, you'll just land in the editor. First, pick a template or start from scratch. Let's choose this cute pastel vibe. Add your title, say my dreamy vacay poll, and tweak colors, fonts, or backgrounds here. Drag and drop elements like text, images, or buttons from the sidebar. Want a poll? Drop it in. Add options like beach or mountains and customize the look. You can also add a Q&A box or social media links. Preview your page to see how it looks, and if you're happy, hit publish to get your unique link. Share that link on socials, Discord, anywhere. Your friends can vote or leave messages instantly. Pro tip, check responses in the results tab to see what's poppin'. That's it guys, you just got your own personalized straw page in minutes. Try it out, get creative, and let us know your favorite features in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and head to straw.page to start creating. See ya.